Hello friends, my name is Hussain and today I am going to share three study boosters for study. Yes, three study boosters. Actually ये three study boosters है क्या? These all are my self experiences and actually this really worked for me and I'm going to share these three study boosters to you. We have ABCD for you, that is anybody can do, and especially in every technique we are going to share this ABCD. We have many exams in our life like either CBSE, ICSE, JAC or any state board. So actually होता क्या है, पढ़ाई के टाइम में हम लोग सही से पढ़ते नहीं एंड फाइनली एट द टाइम ऑफ एग्ज़ाम वी रियली गेट आउट ऑफ आवर माइंड. So this study boosters are really going to help you, and just watch this full video and you will learn how to study, and these are the really good tips for you. So the first one is the Pomodoro technique, and this Pomodoro technique we have 25 minutes intervals, and after 25 minutes we have 5 minutes for rest, and again study for 25 minutes, again rest for 5 minutes. Like this we have to do it 3 to 4 times, and after this at least 3 times we have a time for long rest, that is maybe around 15 to 20 minutes. उसके बाद आपको करना क्या है, again फिर you have to start this Pomodoro technique.
Let us know what are the ABCD of Pomodoro technique. Any human's mind can easily remain focused for 25 minutes, so your mind does not wander here and there. You have to read only 25 minutes and you get breaks in between. So by adopting this technique, your minds remain fresh. With this technique, your mind starts studying because your mind gets the message that only 25 minutes have to be read and you are ready to read. By adopting this technique, your study efficiency increases and there is no habit of postponing study.
The next method is teaching technique for study, and it really worked for me when I was at my 10th standard, and that time my board exams was there. और उस वक्त मैं करता क्या था, मैं जनरली मेरे पास कोई था नहीं, तो देन आई यूज़ टू जस्ट टीच माई सेल्फ वॉट एवर आई स्टडीड एंड वॉट एवर आई लर्न. I used to memorize that one, and after that I used to explain myself only. And if you have your young brains at home, just go to them and just explain what you learn, whether they understand or not, just explain them. And what are the benefits of this? You will learn many things and you will memorize it for a long period of time, even not for your exams only, it will remain after that one also.
Let us know what are the ABCD of teaching technique. The biggest thing about this technique is that you get to know whether you have remembered your topic correctly or not. Using this technique, you can do your revision very well. While using this technique, you are learning how to speak. You will understand the topic very well and will be remembered for a long time. When you are teaching, you explain even the smallest things related to this topic. It becomes very clear, and if there is any inadequacy, then it can be fulfilled.
Third study booster we have is making self notes for the study. This is really a very good technique. You have to make self notes either in abbreviation form. Suppose your teacher taught you in school something, they will definitely teach you some of the techniques as well, and there will be some kind of trick you can say. और उससे क्या होगा, आप जो भी लिखेंगे वो एब्रीविएशन फॉर्म में लिखेंगे या शॉर्टकट फॉर्म में लिखेंगे. जैसे कि ABCD करके हम लोग याद किए थे, वो एसिड बेसिस एंड सॉल्ट का कुछ फार्मूला, और स्कूल टाइम वैनिश कर मैंने फेरस कोबाल्ट निकल को जीना सिखाया, इस तरह से स्कैंडियम टैंटेडियम वैनेडियम याद किए थे. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ थिंग वी कैन लर्न फ्रॉम आवर सेल्फ नोट्स एंड वी कैन मेक सेल्फ नोट. और एग्ज़ाम से पहले होगा क्या, वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न दिस वन एंड वी गोइंग टू फोकस ओनली ऑन दिस आवर सेल्फ नोट्स. And when we will focus on this self note, we will memorize all the things what we have learned before. So
Let us know what are the ABCD of self-study notes. Using this technique, you can write all the topics of your entire syllabus in one place in short, that is in short words. With the help of this technique, you can understand the full topic by reading the notes prepared in those few words a week before the exam. By preparing short study notes, you can revise more topics in less time. It saves times in exam days. Due to preparation of self-study notes, during the exam days, revision is done quickly and easily. Finally, it boosts your confidence.
study boosters are really going to work for you. I hope you like this video, and if you really liked it, or just to share with your friends, and next video के लिए तैयार रहिए. आपके पास कोई अच्छा टॉपिक है तो कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर कमेंट करके बताएं। सी यू देन, बाय।